Hey guys, welcome back. Long time coming for this video. So we're going to be installing the PRL intercooler pipes, which we already have the intercooler installed. We have a video on that. I'll post a link down below, and how to get the front bumper off is on that video. So if you guys need info on that, it's available. But today I want to really talk about the intercooler pipes and how to install them and what benefits you'll get. All right, so let's talk about the intercooler here real quick. So basically you've got your stock piping here. This is the resonator delete, which deletes the box. This is our Cobra intake that we have installed. Working fantastic. And we're gonna keep it on here for a little while with the tuning right now. But what we are going to do is we're replacing this stock piece with the high flow version, and I'm going to go over that, how it works with the intercooler piping when you change that out. All right, you can start by taking out these two bolts on this side and the other side. They're 12 millimeter. All right, we have the cold side piping out. It took 2 minutes. You've got 3 10 mils there. These are 8 millimeters. You got to take the MAF sensor out, AIT out. You just got some clamps. Super easy. This install is probably going to take me tops 30 minutes. All right, guys, you have your MAF and AIT out. Just going to put the MAF in there and this one right here. Super easy. All right, you can see this is the passenger side. You want to retain this piece. Make sure your O-ring goes back on so you have no boost leaks. And then we're just going to put it on that pipe right there and clamp them down with the clamp supplied by PRL. All right, so we got the PRL pipe on there. Clamp down, and I just have to put the gasket on and then put the two 12 mils on this side, and this side is finished. All right, so we have our silicone down here. So if you are putting this on the outlet that comes with the intercooler, you need to install this one that's supplied with the kit. So this will basically go inside here and clamp on to the back side of this. But we're putting on the high flow. So you basically take this off with the 2 Allens, put it on, coupler right in there, and you're ready to go. All right, so you can see the size of the high volume. The nice addition on here is it does have an option for a meth bung for anyone that wants to run methanol on this. I mean, you could do it with a stock turbo. It's going to gain some power, but it's more when you guys go with the aftermarket turbos. But what you want to see, this opening to this. So that's the difference you are actually doing. I don't think it's really going to make much difference at all until really you start getting into higher boosts with the big turbos and that. But you do have the nice meth bung also. So yeah, let's get this clamped up and fired up. All right, guys, we got it all finished. Make sure those Allen bolts are nice and snug. I did put a little bit of thread lock on them just so they don't back out. Clamped in. Let's go up to the engine bay. We got our clamp on there. You got your bracket here. Couplers are set to go back on here, and we're ready to go. All right, guys, so that's a wrap today. You can see those purple mounts, they look good. If you guys need any parts, hit us up. I know I say that all the time. We got tons of these flex fuels in stock. What a huge difference. 91 is complete junk on these cars, and you will be surprised, but you do need a clutch when you want to go to E. But we did something I don't think it's really going to make much difference. Took out the fog light, get a little bit more air right in to the PRL Cobra. All right guys, so like and subscribe. We're bringing you content so you don't have to spend hours in your garage, and also bringing you parts that work on the car. So support us, like and subscribe. Till next time, we got a lot coming.